all you can do is just be present with it. We all used to make forts and pretend to be animals. We all stopped and watched the clouds. I get stuck because I don't want to miss a single drop. It's so beautiful. You know, even your emotions are swept up in it. I think that's how we're supposed to be all the time. And that we work toward that. And maybe at one point it was called joy, or a right to happiness or something. I don't know. I think we forgot something important when we got really interested in conveniences. Native awareness class isn't like an experience that you turn off when you're done. I tell people to be careful when you go into this, that you know that once you turn on these skills, they don't turn off because they were already in there. They were latent, raring to go. But we're allowed to atrophy. And so you have people wandering the woods with GPSs so they don't get lost. But they're already so disconnected from the woods, they miss the hermit thrush song, or the deer stalking away, or the tapestry of tracks telling dramatic stories of recent hunts and the change in the weather. Feral dogs, wolves, coyotes. We teach all kinds of primitive skills, from wild edibles and foraging, medicinals, tracking and awareness. All indicate one of the primary reasons balsam firs fall before they reach maturity. Secondary covert on the wing. All of these things combined bring us to a place of being fully present in our environment.
Weird.
We're all native to the landscape if we follow our lineage back. 4.8 billion years old is this world. And I think we could do a better job. And I believe that the ancestors knew how. And it starts with taking your shoes off and going barefoot, because it makes you slow down. It's life-changing for people. They remember when they were 4 and used to do the same thing, but not at this level. And now with the perspective and power of an adult, it shakes them. It's a journey that, you know, for the first time in their lives, they're having to plug in all of their other senses. The earth starts to reveal things. How slow, fluid, timeless presence makes you invisible. How thoughts make you stand out on the landscape. And then, suddenly there's nothing. They listen to their heart in the silences. And it isn't their brain that says, come on, let's go point A to point B. I'm late for this space and time. And they let that story go. They stop, they breathe in deep. And it becomes a dance. A fluid, sensory experience where you intuitively know the location of everything around you. And then you feel like, okay, now I'm ready. These are real, meaningful moments of connection to what's been going on for billions of years. What we really work toward with each person is to share in a sense of thankfulness at the bounty that surrounds us.